Halor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management ka college aji kai baningkong halor ka Culinary hakathan shatay lamingi kalapan ko buram pat sam degree syaki Samla puli na ka batch arja pulai arja pendriu hakajing alang pulalong haka arpsau trek kunaitung arja pendriu kidon arpsau ngot ki Samla puli bila Pyndep ka degree hakani ka college kom ka school ba ka belalam khmat hakani ka than ka Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management ka pelik jengbuat panhikai pentebet haka Culinary Arts ki Samla puli ki bala Pyndep ya kajing puli ki long haka bachelor's degree advanced diploma bat diploma haka Culinary Arts and Hospitality Management hakani ka sngi pun ko borom la sakilang dau chef pawan na courtyard by Marriott Shillong ki nomi khmat na Karaj Dhani Cookery House u chef Adho Nija u managing director ba Sani Maulong ki director bat ki noi kai jong ka Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management.
I think learning should never stop, young graduates, because your learning doesn't end today. Your learning begins today. And you have a world which will be your platform for you to learn. I want to encourage, never end your learning, because learning starts from the cradle but ends in the grave. As long as you breathe, continue to learn. Be a good disciple of wanting to learn for more. That will take you to greater heights. L, as we talk about light. I, when I think about I, is all about creating an impact. Wherever God puts you in, wherever God has placed you, remember, leave a mark behind. Create an impact wherever you work, because your journey may not be in one place forever, but wherever, remember, God has planted you there. Create an impact. Be a person that can create an influence in that place. Now we talk about G, L-I-G, be the light, G. Now see G, every time I talk about G, what comes to mind is the word good. And many of us, when we get our graduation, when we finish our degrees, we feel that we have attained something called good. We are good now. I want to tell you, young graduates, that you should always strive to be great, not good. Because good is the enemy of great. And when you want to be great, it means at every time that you get an opportunity to work, you will be your very best. Because people who strive for great, strive for excellence. When we talk about excellence, we don't mean about being the best, but being your best. So L-I-G. H, whenever you work, remember, honesty is the key. Always be honest. Don't try shortcuts in life, because these shortcuts bring mediocrity. These shortcuts bring compromises. Always be honest. Stand for your honesty wherever you place. And that is how you be the light. And T is, remember, wherever you are, trust in God. Because if you feel that you don't need God anymore, that is the end of everything. Trust God. That's how you are the light in this world. Continue to learn, create an impact, strive for greatness, always be honest, and trust in God. As the MD of the organization, these are our words of encouragement for our young graduates today. May you remember to continue to be the light in this world. God bless you all. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.